Rheinfall in Switzerland is the biggest waterfall in Europe. And I don't think so, only pictures can do it justice. So I put together this video to experience it up close and personal. Whether you want to visit the Rheinfall from Zurich or anywhere else in Europe, you will going to find all the information you need right here. The Rhine Falls is on the High Rhine, about 47 km north of Zurich, between the villages of Neuhausen am Rheinfall and Laufen Felsen. Basically, there are 3 possible routes, all taking under an hour. Just remember, you need a Swiss vignette, that is a toll sticker, to travel on the motorways. So if you are coming from Zurich to Rheinfall, the train is the easiest way to get there on a day trip. So let's see what are the possibilities. The first one is you can take the train from Zurich to Schloss Laufen am Rheinfall. Second train you can take from Zurich to Neuhausen Rheinfall, and the third from Zurich to Schaffhausen. And after that, once you reach to your final station, I have given all the details in the description that after get off by the train, what are the possible ways to reach to the final destination. And if you are coming to Rheinfall from Schaffhausen, then you can take the Rheinfall Express. This is a tourist train that travels between the two. Along with this information, I have given the detailed description about the prices of the tickets in the description below, so you can check it out from there.
Welcome to Rhine Falls.
And after taking the tickets, the first thing you're going to see is the Schloss Castle. This is the little castle on the northern bank of the Rheinfall. From here, you can have a direct view of the falls in the distance. This is also where you'll embark on your Rheinfalls boat ride. Well, basically, there is no entrance fees is charged to access the northern bank of the Rheinfalls. It's really accessible 24 hours a day. However, if you arrive by car, a parking fee of franc 5 is charged for the first hour and approximately franc 2 for the every hour after that. The visitors area on the northern bank is big and flat, lined with food stalls, shops and restaurants. There is also a big picnic area and children's playground. Well, this one is my favorite part. So if watching the Rhine Falls from the river banks is not good enough for you, then you can also choose 4 different boat rides for a more exhilarating experience. And you have to keep this in mind that you can enjoy a Rhine Falls boat ride from only between April to October. And one more important point, if you want to take Rheinfalls boat ride, then don't wait long before buying your tickets, because on a busy day, you may have to wait an hour or 2 until there are seats available. And also I like this part, the Rheinfalls boat rides are color coded to make your choice easier. And I have mentioned all the information related to boat tours and their prices in the description, so you can check it out from there. And all the tours depart from and end at Schloss Laufen Castle, that is the same little castle which I have already shown you before in this video. So we took the short 15-minute round trip that gets as close as possible to the falls. I'm sure you have seen imposing pictures of a castle towering over the Rhine Falls. This is Schloss Laufen or Laufen Castle, and it's on the southern bank of the falls. So if you start your Rhine Falls visit on this side, so the parking is free but you pay an entrance fees to the Laufen Castle and the viewing platforms below it. Tickets are affordable, so don't worry about it. It is approximately around 5 francs to 6 francs, and this also includes entry to this museum, panoramic glass lift, and Belvedere trail with viewing platforms. And now, let's talk about the viewing platforms. So between this Schloss Laufen Castle and Rhine Falls, there are 3 viewing platforms. So here's the first one. This is called Belvedere platform. This one is the second and it's called Kenzeli. And the third one is the Fishernets platform. We could literally touch the water while standing on this platform. Look at the flow of the water. I wondered what kept the Kenzeli platform from being washed away. This is scary, but exhilarating, and expect to be covered in spray. Now let me also provide some of the best views of the Rheinfall Felsen. This is the large central rock formation, which is also a notable feature of the Rhine Falls. So after having an amazing thrilling experience, it's time for me to take you all to the other side of the waterfall by doing the short circular hike. As we all know, food and drinks are not cheap in Switzerland. So I would suggest you to bring some snacks and water along if you don't want to feel ripped off. You can even bring some meat, and for vegetarians, you can bring some vegetables and have a barbecue in the picnic area on the northern bank. There's also a spot with a grill and a fire pit specially for this purpose. Continue walking until you get this incredible view. Going to see a pretty trail among the views of the boats in the river. And stand here with peace and try to connect yourself with this beautiful nature. You know, I always say that nature always tries to teach you something new. And after looking this incredible view, I have to say, whenever life throws obstacles in your way, be like water and either cut through them or form a new path that will lead to your goals and dreams. Further from here, you will going to see this hydroelectric water wheel. And I must say that how beautifully these people have managed this place to attract tourism from all over the world. You know, there is always a hidden message in every waterfall. It says, if you are flexible, falling will never hurt you. After listening to this crispy music of waterfall, I have to say, these waterfalls would not sound so melodious if there were no rocks in their way. After having such a refreshing day, it's time for me to end this video here. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you until next time. Ciao!